Page number 140, question number 6. Draw that figure ABC and ACD. ABC congruent, ABE is congruent to ACD. Okay, did you draw the figure, Raya? Raya and Gauri, did you draw the figure? Okay, drawing, okay. Page number 140, question number 6. 140, question number 6. Okay, in that question, triangle AB is congruent to triangle ACD. Show that triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. Okay, given two congruent triangles, all of you move your fingers on that triangle ABE. All of you.
Question number
6. All of you move your fingers on that triangle ABE and the other congruent triangle ACD. If a question of this time, if you got a question of this time, you can do always move your fingers through the triangles so that you will get some idea. DE, DE, BE and DC are joined. Okay. Given is triangle ABE congruent to ACD. Given is triangle ABE, this triangle ABE. ABE is congruent to ACD. ACD. One or two times move your fingers on those two triangles ACD, ABE. These are the congruent triangles ACD. Triangle ACD. If they are congruent, all their angles are equal and corresponding sides also equal. Corresponding sides and corresponding angles are equal. Okay. So we can write AB will be equal to what then? AB will be equal to what then? What is the side corresponding to AB in ACD? Which was the side corresponding to AB in ACD? AC. So we can write AB equal to AC, BE equal to CD, and AE equal to AD. This much we can write since they are congruent. So all sides are equal, corresponding sides are equal. Now we have to prove is what? To prove triangle ADE. Triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. Triangle ABC. Which one is the ADE? ADE, the small triangle. ADE similar to the whole ABC. That was the question. ADE similar to triangle ABC. ABC. Okay. So here we have AB equal to AC. Take these two sides, AB equal to AC, and we can write AD equal to AD equal to AE. Why I write AD equal to AE? Because see here A corresponding to AB, AD is the side. So I choose Instead of AE equal to AD, I wrote AD by AE. Okay? Is it clear why I write instead of AE by AD? I wrote AD equal to A. Why I chosen AD first? Because AD is the side corresponding to AB in this triangle. Now, AB by AD will be equal to AC by AE. Just divide. Okay, children? See, AD by AB equal to AC by AB by AD equal to AC by AE. Two sides are same ratio, proportional. Then anything else? Can you add anything else to that? We have to prove ADE similar to ABE. Here we got AB by AD equal to AC by AE. Sides are proportional we got. Can you add anything so that these two triangles are similar? Which of them? ADE, this small triangle and this large triangle. Can you add anything to get these two triangles are common? You have studied criteria, similarity criteria. Can you add anything to this? We got two sides are proportional. Look at the figure. ADE, ABC. Can you add anything?
Ma'am, 1.
What? Go through all the similarity criteria. Can we apply AA, SSS, SAS? Anything can you add here? Two sides are proportional you got.
Ma'am, angle A.
Angle A is common, yes. We can write angle A equal to angle A. Angle A equal to angle A, common angle. And check whether is that angle A is an including angle of AB and AC? AB, AC, A angle. AD,
Yes, ma'am.
AE, it is an including angle and it is equal because it is common angle. So you can say by which congruence rule?
SAS.
Therefore, triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC by SAS, not congruence, similarity criteria. SAS, similarity criteria. SAS, similarity criteria. SAS, similarity criteria. SAS, similarity criteria. All of you wrote this one? Huh? Yes. Okay. Okay, children, I will explain once again the same problem. You look at your note. Okay. You have a triangle ABC, A, B, C, and CD. Given that ABE, triangle ABE is congruent to ACD, AB, not C, DE, sorry. This side is D and this is E. ABE. So move your fingers through ABE and ACD. ACD. These two triangles are congruent. If they are congruent, corresponding sides are equal. AB equal to AC and BE equal to CD and AE equal to AD. We will get these three since they are congruent. Corresponding sides are equal. So we need to prove is triangle A. What was the question? To prove is triangle ADE. ADE, triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. This we need to prove. So I took AB equal to AC from these three. AB equal to AC. Also we have AE and AD. But see here AD corresponding to AB. Okay, so here first I wrote AB, so I wrote AD because corresponding to AB we have AD equal to AE. Now dividing we get AB by AD equal to AC by AE. AB AB by AD equal to AC by AE. These two are the two corresponding sides of the required triangle. Okay, where we need to prove similarity. And also we have A as a common factor. We have A as a common angle. So by using SAS similarity criteria, SAS similarity criteria. What is SAS similarity criteria? Two sides are proportional, corresponding two sides are proportional and including angle equal. Here AB by AD, AB of the whole triangle, AD of small triangle, and AC of the whole triangle, AE, they are equal, and common angle A also equal. Hence those two triangles are similar. Is it clear, all of you? Sania, Shania, Gauri, Raya, Eva, clear? Today itself write and study. Okay. If you look at tomorrow, you may forget it. Okay. So today itself. Today you can remember what are the reasons I have told you. When you look at tomorrow, there are some after some days, you all will forget this. Okay. So today itself you have to go through it. Now next question number 8. Write question number 8. 8. Is a point on the side AD produced of a parallelogram ABCD and BE intersect CD. BE intersect CD at F. Show that triangle AB is similar to triangle CFB. See, here figure also not given. You have to draw the figure. So figure also you have to draw and study. Okay. So here we have a parallelogram. We have parallelogram A, B, C, D. And E is a point on side AD produced. AD is produced, which means this is AD produced. We are producing AD. And E is a point here, somewhere here. E. AD is produced and E is a point on that AD produced. AD, we are lengthening that AD. AD produced and BE intersect CD at F. BE, join B and this point E. BE intersect CD at F. This was the figure. Now read the question and understand the figure once again. All of you read the question and look at the figure. What are given? If you got the figure, then problem is simple. Getting the figure is important. We have a parallelogram ABCD and AD is produced. So we are produced that line AD, line segment AD, and BE is a point on AD produced, and we are joining BE and BE intersect DC at a point F. Now to prove is what? To prove is ABE, ABE, triangle ABE, ABE similar to CFB, CFB, this small triangle CFB. Now try. Question is very simple. After getting the figure, question is very simple. You can easily get criteria for proving these two triangles. ABE, no, ABE. AB, triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. There are easily you will get criteria. Try. Is there any sides are not given, so we can't take SSS. Sides are not given, so SSS is not possible. So you try with the angles. Try with the angles. Check whether any angles are equal in this figure, in these two triangles, A, B, E, and C, F, B. It is a parallelogram. So think. Any of the angles of these two triangles, ABE and
angle A and angle C.
very good. Angle A and angle C are equal. What is the reason, Minha?
And opposite angles are equal.
Of opposite angles of a parallelogram. Angle A equal to angle C. Write the reason. Opposite angles of a parallelogram. Opposite angles of parallelogram. Good. So one angle, corresponding angles are equal. One pair. Anything else? Anything else? Try. Only three pairs of angles, no? Here we have only three pairs. One pair we got equal. Check other two pairs. Find any reason for
Angle D because angle B that is in opposite side.
angle B are not equal. This for this AEB angle B is this one. For CFB angle B other one. So they are not equal. They are not equal. Now you have only one set.
Angle B for triangle ABE and angle F for triangle CFB.
Angle F? Where angle F? Angle? Which one? Which one?
Angle BFB.
B for A. Okay. Angle B. This angle B and this angle.
Yes, ma'am.
What was the reason?
I'm alternating the angle.
angle BAB, AB and CF. This is a transversal. Angle B, yes, they are equal, correct. Alternate interior angles. AB, B is, we can consider the sides of a parallelogram are two parallel lines. This is a transversal angle B. ABF, angle ABF is equal to angle CFB, alternate interior angles. Otherwise, we can consider AD and BC are parallel lines, BE as transversal, then you will get angle this B equal to angle CBF. That also, any pair you can take. Good, good. Okay, so you can write angle ABF equal to angle CFB, alternate interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Good. Alternate interior angles. Therefore, by AA similarity criteria, triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. AA similarity criteria.
Ma'am, CFB. You wrote CFF.
CFB, I'm sorry. CFB. CFB. Okay. AA similarity criteria. Question is very simple, only 2 lines. No, you must know to draw the figure and after that go through the similarity criteria. First of all, check whether any sides are given or any ratios of sides are given. If it's not so, you can go to angles. Check whether any of the angles are equal or not.
Ma'am,
Yeah, yes.
ma'am, that
Yes.
bracket what ma'am written?
This one here,
Yes,
last
ma'am.
AA similarity criteria.
Ma'am, top bracket.
Alternate interior angles. Reason for this, alternate interior angles. Interior angles. Alternate interior angles. Here AA similarity criteria. AA similarity criteria. Question number 9.
I'm down.
Yes.
I'm the question figure will be given.
It's not clear, Kisan.
I'm in the questions they will give figure without that without the
Figure,
figure.
if figure is not given, you have to draw. For this figure, you will get mark because it's not given, no. So you must draw. Question number 9. Question number 9. Question number 9, figure is given. Write the question. Write and draw the figure. Write the question and draw the figure. What is given in the question? D is a point. Draw the figure. 3.9. Is that question number 9? Okay. A figure is A, B, C, perpendicular. A, B, C, C, A, B, C. Then P is extended to P. This also perpendicular. M, here also perpendicular. P. Okay. And C, what is given? ABC and AMP are two right triangles. Okay, right angle at B and M. Okay. Prove that ABC similar to AMP. So first to prove triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP. All of you try whether you are getting any idea. Two right triangles we have. Very simple. You will get easily. Can you find any reason for its similarity? Yes, Shania, say if you know.
Angle equal to angle common.
Angle A equal to angle A, very good. It's a common angle. So we can write BAC, angle BAC equal to PAM, angle PAM, common angle. Good. Then yes, say yes, Shania.
Angle B equal to angle of 90 degrees.
Yes, 90-degree angle also. Yes, good. So we can write angle ABC, angle ABC equal to angle A, that 90-degree angle. AMP, both are 90 degree. It is given in the question. Given. Therefore, we can write two angles are equal. If two corresponding angles are equal, we can write they are similar by AA similarity criteria. Simple. This is a repeatedly asked question. It is AA similarity criteria. If these two triangles are similar, we can write the, say, one more question is there, no? CA by PA equal to PC by A. So if two triangles are similar, we can write the sides are proportional. To prove what? What is the next question? It is there. CA by PA. CA by PA equal to BC by MP. You can write BC by MP. Okay. Since if they are similar, we can easily write these ratios are equal. Okay. Since triangle ABC similar to triangle AMP, we have CA, these two. Correspondingly, PA equal to BC, BC by MP. So simple. BC by MP. Corresponding sides of A. Reason what? Corresponding sides of A corresponding sides of two similar triangles are proportional. Two similar triangles are proportional. Are proportional. Corresponding sides of two similar triangles are proportional. This is B. This is A. This is B. Question number 13. No, not 13, children. 11. 11. Sorry. Question number 11. Question number 11. Write the question and figure is given. So draw that figure also. Attendance please. 10B. Aaron, Agna, Alicia, Anuj, Angelo,
Present, ma'am.
Ashna, Godwin, Lena,
Present, ma'am.
Chris Joe, Delvin, Elna Rose.
Present, ma'am.
Who's this?
Delvin.
Who's the Delvin? Elna Rose, Isha,
Present, ma'am.
Eva,
Present, ma'am.
Shifana, Fisan,
Present, ma'am.
Krishna, Maria, Meghna,
Ma'am, Krishna present, Krishna.
okay. Meghna, no. Nihal,
Ma'am.
Nasil, Nabil,
Present, ma'am.
Navneet,
Present, ma'am.
Nasrin, Noble, Rachel George, Rachel Boben, Raya,
Present, ma'am.
Rohan,
Present, ma'am.
Roland, Roshan, Shweta, Vishnu.
Present, ma'am.
So absentees are Aaron, Agna, Alicia, Anuj, Ashna, Godwin. Aaron present. Godwin, Elna Rose, Shifana, Maria, Meghna, Nasil, Nasrin, Noble, Rachel George, Rachel Boben, Roland, Roshan, Shweta, Vishnu present. 10C, Abin,
Present, ma'am.
Alham, Alna Rose, Anantakrishna, Anjali,
Present, ma'am.
Anthony, Arun, Ashik Joshi, Adulya, Bastin, Devasena, Dominic,
Present, ma'am.
Elsa,
Present, ma'am.
Emrin, Fahad, Gauri,
Present, ma'am.
Gautam,
Present, ma'am.
Jerlin,
Present, ma'am.
Jaslin, Justin,
Present, ma'am.
Karthik,
Ma'am.
Kshetra,
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi,
Present, ma'am.
Lakshmi present, Lakshmi,
Ma'am, Lakshmi present.
Melita,
Present, ma'am.
Minha,
Present, ma'am.
Revu,
Present, ma'am.
Said,
Present, ma'am.
Sania,
Present, ma'am.
Shania, Sean, Sovel, Sovel,
Present, ma'am.
Sriram, Srihari, Swati.
I'm so all present.
Okay, absentees are Alna Rose, Alna Rose, Ananda Krishna, Arun, Ashik, Bastin, Fahad, Jesslyn, Kshetra. Kshetra, are you present? No,
Ma'am, Kshetra present.
present. So these
Ma'am.
are the, yes,
Rachel George is present.
Rachel George present. Okay, Rachel present. Okay, children, any idea? E is a point on side BC produced. A, B, C. A, B, C. And BC produced E is somewhere here. Okay. E is somewhere here and is a point on the side CB produced on an isosceles triangle. Okay. It is an isosceles triangle with AB equal to AC. So given that AB equal to AC, since ABC is a isosceles triangle and here one perpendicular, here also a perpendicular. And two perpendiculars, AD perpendicular to BC and EF perpendicular to AC. Prove that triangle ABD. To prove triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF. Triangle ECF. Move your fingers through those two triangle A, B, D. There is D and D. D, F. A, B, D. A, B, D and E, C, F. E, C, F. Move your finger one or two times to those two triangles so that you will get some idea.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, ECF and ADB equal.
Angles
Angles of
ECF and ECF and
ADB.
ADB. What is the reason?
Ma'am, 90 degree.
ECF. How 90 degree ECF? ECF is this angle.
Ma'am, EFC.
EFC. EFC. And EFC and
ADB.
ADB. Here, this also. If it is 90, this also 90. Good. So we can write angle EFC equal to angle ADB. 90 degree. It is given. Okay. Then one angle. Okay. Then
Ma'am,
Angle A and angle E.
angle A and angle E. What is the reason? Angle A means this angle. This,
That's after the right angle. That must be equal to the right angle.
huh? How? Suppose, see, this is right angle. Then are they will equal? Maybe this is 45, 60, 30. This is 45. This can also be equal, no? So, in all the right angles, all other angles are not equal. That we can't say.
B and angle C. Because,
Angle B,
isosceles.
yes, angle B and angle C are because AB equal to AC. So sides of angles opposite to equal sides of an isosceles triangle. Base angles are equal. Okay, correct. So we can write angle B equal to angle C. angle B equal to angle C. So what is the reason? Sides opposite to angles opposite to equal sides. Angles opposite to equal sides. Equal sides. So triangle ABD similar to triangle ECF by AA similarity criteria. By AA similarity criteria. Okay, children. Next period we will do some more problems. Shall we wind up?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Bye. Bye.